Have you ever noticed airplane windows are always round? There's actually a chilling reason why they're never square. In the 1950s, commercial jets first took to the skies with square windows. But something terrifying happened. Three planes exploded midair. Engineers later discovered that the sharp corners of square windows created pressure points, causing the fuselage to crack over time. The solution? Rounded windows. They distribute pressure evenly, making them far safer at high altitudes. So next time you fly, remember, that round window might just be saving your life. Like and follow for more strange facts you never learned in school.